Guys, welcome to the channel. Today me and my brother are going to be installing a clutch kit and a riser on his 16 Renegade, and we went with straight line performance, more power baby, a straight line performance clutch kit and RSI bar risers. And this is for another video. We were waiting for one more piece to complete that one. So I'm gonna stand here with the camera and watch him work because it's his snowmobile. You love me, you know it. So, first things we gotta do is probably take off that belt there, wouldn't you say? How do you like his Mad Bomber hat? Surprised about that.
Don't get easier than that.
Alright.
And we need some Allen heads for behind there.
That's not gonna fit. That's not gonna fit. Probably a metric size. That's not metric.
This comes from
That 1 feet.
here. More girth.
Girthier. How about the girthness of that one? To let you guys know what he's doing, is this is the piece that goes in like a this, and there's 4 bolts on the back side. We're trying to find an Allen head that fits that. There's obviously not a lot of room for such thing. Let's Google it. Levi, they say they are a number 40 Torx bit.
Retard alert!
Torx bit.
Yeah, that's what this one firm says.
I'll explain. I know what Allen heads fit in there.
Look at that. Something so simple. Now, let's see if it works. I mean, with that weld, it must have been heat treated, so it's super strong now. Broke off on the first try.
What kind of shit is that? I guess I gotta use this up.
Cool. Probably. So attempt number 2 was no better than the first. Just twisted the frickin' head on it. So we're just gonna order, they make a specialty tool for it. Let's order it to get these 4 bolts out. Hopefully that works. Otherwise we're just gonna probably do the primary. Need the puller?
Yeah.
Puller. Need a socket for the puller. It's this guy right here. 3/4. Just like that. Need those tools. Now we're up over here. Got the ratchet over here. That wasn't so bad. That's quite a bit to compress.
Should have paid attention which way the mark was going. I'm guessing it's the same as the outside one. Would be my guess.
Well, carriage bolt equal success apparently. And then we need to install ramps and weights. Okay, we're back. Well, it's all together. Got the new spring and a new cam or helix, whatever you want to call this guy. And third time's a charm. Homemade tool worked until it twisted the end. Then we just ground it off and tried it, but we only had one bolt so left and a 1/4 inch ratchet and a 1/4 inch wrench, and that guy finished her off. And it worked perfectly. So on to the last piece. Yeah, we're gonna have to change your belt deflection and all that. For those of you who are wondering, this is a homemade tool. Yeah, it looks ugly, but yes, it works.
Someone that turned us down last time we used it.
Not me. Oofed.
Looks like it's set on lug nuts.
Is that an option on there?
Well, 110 foot-pounds.
Tighten to 70 foot-pounds. 60 to 70. So we're back in the shop, and first rip, and it was engaging very high. It was almost engaging to 4,500 RPMs. So we are going to pop off the primary, and we're going to add 0.7 grams of weight. Hopefully that fixes it.
3 weeks later.
Hey guys, it's obviously a few weeks after we installed the clutch kit. The weight kit that SPI sent us was not heavy enough, so we ended up ordering the heavy weight kit, and we settled it on 21.5 grams for the 137. And now, since we got the proper weight in it, it pulls like a missile.